June, do this work first, it's urgent. After that, complete other work. T. But Jin Yang said this work do first. Now you are saying this work do later. You both are confusing me. If I do any mistake, then both of you won't leave me. Have you guys taken a sweat to confuse me? June, stop your overacting. It's nothing too much. You can complete both the work at the same day. T. Yang, please have some mercy on me. It's not easy for me. I'm just an innocent kid. I can't do this much work. June, when you need money, then you never said that you don't need any money. T. Which stupid person would want to refuse money? June, so it means you only wanna get money without doing any work. T shook his head vigorously. No, I didn't mean it. See, I'm doing the work now. I just want the earning of my hard work. June, do you think completing 2 files in a day is very hard work? T, I didn't think, Yang. It's actually very tough. I can't do this. Give me some concession. I will complete only 1 file. June, do you know when I started the work, Jinhyang gave me 10 files to complete and I did without creating any drama. Sometimes I stayed up whole night just to complete my work and here you are throwing tantrums. T. Yang, you are genius. You can do anything. You are known for your perfection. But I'm different. I don't want any perfection. June. T. There should be hunger inside you. You should learn new things and prove yourself. T. I don't want to prove anything. I have only one hunger to eat strawberries. I can bet nobody can defeat me in that. June hit on his forehead. Eating strawberries isn't any job. It would be better if you run your hands instead of your tongue. T. Yeah, it's very cold. My hands denied to work. They want a small vacation of 2-3 months to take rest. June looked at him and shook his head. Small vacation of 2-3 months? Seriously? Teen nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Yang, I'm damn serious about this. Gave him a paper. It's for you. June took the paper. What's this? T. My leave application. June shocked. Leave application? Are you serious? It's been only a week since you started working with us and you won't leave for 3 months? T. Winter will stay till 3 months now, so I will work after winter. June turned the paper. If you forget, then let me remind you that you were born in winter. You should love winter season and you won't get any leave. I won't fall on your drama. I want the file on my table till evening. Otherwise, get ready to say goodbye to your hands. I still have my cane, which helps you in your school days. T. Scared. Hey, it's cheating, Hang. Now I'm a big boy. You can't beat me. June pulled his left ear. No matter how much big you become, I can beat you anywhere and anytime. T screamed his lungs out. Ah, it's wrong. I didn't do anything, but then also you are pulling my ear. It's so wrong. I will complain to Jin Hang. You are using your power on me. June twisted his ear even more. I haven't used my power yet. Don't test my patience, T. If I don't get these files till evening, then forget about your hands. I swear you will forget to write. Hearing T's screaming, a little boy ran to garden and went to them. He climbed on the couch and tried to remove his hand. T mumbled, Here, my little savior, come. Now you can't do anything with me. Dramatically screamed, Ah, Minnie, save your Titi from this big monster. Minnie, leave Titi. Minnie, bite you. June, Minnie, go from here. Your TT needs to learn good lesson. T. Minnie, no, don't go anywhere. Your TT needs you. Jimin, Minnie, no go. Minnie, stay TT. Leave TT here. Minnie, bite. Showed him his teeth. June, okay, I leave his here. No need to become Dracula. Left his here. Jimin, good Junie, patted his head and jumped from the couch and sat on T's lap, who was sitting on the floor while rubbing his ear. Titi, Minnie shaved Titi ear. T, while rubbing his ear. Ah, thank you, Minnie. You are my true savior. You always protect me. Jimin showed his red ear and started rubbing it by his cute tiny baby hands. Junie pat her titi. June, Minnie, June isn't bad. This titi is bad. He's denying to do his work. I don't think to remind Minnie that it's so wrong. Everyone should do his work. Right, Minnie? Jimin nodded his head mercilessly. Yes, Minnie knows. Ginny, she work worship. June, very good. Now tell me who is in fault? Jimin, Titi. June, now when you know who is at fault, then support the truth and bring my cane. T got more scared. No, Minnie, I'm not denying to do the work. I'm ready, but Hang is saying I have to complete his file too. I already have Jin Hyang's file. Now tell me, how can an innocent child do two works at the same time? I only have one hand. Isn't it cruelty? Jimin looked at T. Titi lying. Titi two hands. Held his both the hands and he started swinging. See, Titi two hands. One Ginny, one Junie. June, see, Minnie is also agree, so complete the file. You have only till the evening. T. Minnie, I can write by only my right hand. Jimin, confused and looked at his both hands. Right hand? June smiled. Minnie, the hand which you eat is your right hand. Jimin, Titi, no, right, left hand? T shook his head vigorously. No, now tell me, how can I complete the work till evening? Jimin, Titi, right, only one file. June, okay, so complete my file first. Jimin, Titi, only Juni file. Titi, happy, now work. Team, Minnie, I can't complete Jun Hyung's file. I have to complete first Jin Hyung's file. He has threatened me that if I don't complete the file by evening, then he won't give me food to eat. How can I compromise with my food? Food is life, na? Jimin nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Titi, right. No compo. Titi, food. Titi, no risk. June, you know what? You're just useless. If I had given this work to Cook, then by now he would have completed this file and written it to me. T, it's not too late, Hyang. You can give him the file now. He will return it by the evening. June, aren't you ashamed of making your younger brother to do more work? T, why would I feel ashamed? In fact, I am helping him. He likes to work and I am giving him work. He should be thankful towards me. I am such a good hangi. June, trying my foot. You are an opportunistic person. Minnie, go and bring Cook here. He is far better than this useless. All his work is perfect. Jimin, Minnie, no go Cookie. June, now what do you want to bring him here? Jimin, nothing. June, then go to your right hand side and he was in his room. Jimin, Cookie, no, Minnie, right hand side. Cookie, bye, wrong hand side. T, confused, wrong hand side. Jimin, oh for Titi, showed him his right hand. Minnie, right hand, showed him his left hand. Minnie, wrong hand. T. Minnie, it's right, left hand, not wrong hand. Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, wrong hand. Wo piche. Minnie, right, opposite, wrong. Minnie, smart. Titi, no fool. Minnie. T looked at June, who was doing something in his mobile. Yang, tell him it's left hand, not wrong hand. What are you doing in your mobile? June, you are saying it as if he always listened to me. Nobody can make him understand anything, so just leave it. I already messaged Cook. He will complete the file. He is outside now. I will cut your salary and give it to him. You mess with wrong person. Left. Time skipped after some times. Jimin was waiting for Cook to return back as he went outside without telling him. He saw Hobie was scrolling his mobile, so he jumped on him and said, Jimin, Opie! Hobie, without looking at him, Minnie! Jimin snatched his mobile from his hand. Play Minnie, Minnie ball! Hobie has work, baby. Hobie can't play with Minnie. Hobie is busy, na? Minnie can play with Titi and Cookie. Jimin, Titi busy chuni file. Cookie, go bye Minnie. Ginny office. Juni busy room. Hobie busy too. Minnie ball, said with sad pout. Cook came there. Minnie doesn't need to worry. Cookie brought someone with whom Minnie can play non-stop. Jimin looked at him. Cookie! Ran to him. Cook, Minnie! Picked him in his arms. Jimin, Cookie, bring what, Minnie? Cook, see it by yourself. He is here. Dropped him on his feet. Jimin looked here and there. What? Minnie knows she Cookie bring Minnie? Cook, what are you saying, Minnie? Can't you see him? He is here. Where did this boy go? Wait, let me bring him here. Cook went outside and came back with a little boy. He was looking so cute and adorable in his braid hairstyle. Jimin looked at him. Who he? Cook, he is our business partner, Mr. Min's son, Min Yoongi. Yoongi poured 90 degree. Hello everyone, I'm Yuni. Hobie came to him. Oh, how cute he is. Hello baby, welcome to our house. Jimin felt jealous. No, he no live here. Hobie, why can't he live here? Jimin, because it's Minnie house. Minnie only baby, no other baby come. Yoongi, don't worry, I'm not a baby, you're a baby. Time skipped after some times. Yoongi blended with everyone nicely. Everyone started showing their love towards him and forgot Jimin. He became jealous from him and decided to throw him outside. Because he snatched his Yang's love. He was waiting for Jin at the entrance as he hasn't returned yet. He was very furious. Soon Jimin arrived and he unlocked the door and started complaining to him. Jin, Minnie, what happened baby? What are you doing here? Jimin, Jinny, hugged him tightly. Jin hugged him back. I'm here baby. You are looking so sad. Did anyone say anything to my precious Minnie? Jimin looked at his head vigorously. Yes. Jin, who dare to make my Minnie sad? I will hit him with my pink frying pan. Jimin, Cookie, bring Kitty. Everyone play Kitty. No Minnie. Minnie sad. Throw Kitty out. Minnie house. Minnie no want Kitty. Jin, what? Mad. I clearly told everyone that we won't pet any animal, but then also he dared to bring cat in our house. Minnie, show me where that cat is. I will throw that cat outside then Cookie. Jimin, held his index finger by his full hand. That kitty living room! Minnie, help Ginny! Started dragging him to the living room. They both came to living room and found everyone was talking with Hyungi. He was surrounded by all the tall men, so Jin couldn't see his face. He angrily went to them and said, Jin, what's happening here? Cook, how dare you to bring cat in our house? I clearly told everyone that we won't pet any animal. Then what's this, huh? Looked at Hovey and June. You both also involved in his plan and dare to go against me? Cook, throw that cat outside before I hit you by my pink frying pan. Cook got scared. But Yang, I didn't bring any cat. Jin, stop lying, Cook. Minnie told me that you brought a cat. We all know Minnie can't lie. Cook, I'm not lying, Yang. You can ask from anyone. I didn't bring any cat. Jin looked at Jimin. Minnie, what's he saying? Jimin, Ginny, Cookie lying. Went to Yoongi and held his hand. Here, kitty, see? Everyone got shocked to know that he was saying Yoongi as kitty. Yoongi became mad and yanked his hand and went to Jin. Yoongi, do you think I'm a cat? Stop calling me kitty, I'm Uni. Went to Jin and hugged him tightly. Jinny Hangi. Jin hugged him back. Uni, how are you? Are you fine here? Yoongi, yes, I'm fine. They all are so good. Jin, see, I brought Tangnis for you. Gave him back. Yoongi became happy. Thank you, Hangi. Flashed his gummy smile. Jimin became more jealous and pushed him. Ginny, only Minnie, no kitty. Stay away. Yoongi, no, Ginny Hangi is mine too. Try to hug him. Yoongi tried to hug Jin, but Jimin grabbed his hand and started pulling his hair. Yoongi wasn't less than him. He also started pulling Jimin's hair. Soon they both started fighting. Everyone was so stunned to see this. They couldn't believe on their eyes. They all tried to stop them, but they yanked all of them and started fighting again. After so much difficulties, they were able to separate them and took them in different rooms. By seeing their fight, they all understood that it will not gonna easy for them to handle both of them. Time skipped after a week. A week passed, but Yunmin's fighting aren't letting the name to stop. They both became rivals. They didn't leave a single chance to fight with each other, always. Any of them stayed at home with each other because nobody knows when do they both each other. Jimin was very jealous because he didn't want to share his love with anyone. Today nobody was at home except Yunmin. Jin has to go to somewhere urgently. He calmly made both of them understand that don't fight with each other till anyone come. He especially requested them. They both promised to him to not fight until anyone come. Jin left from there. Both Yunmin were sitting in the living room. Both were hungry because Hyang were taking so much time to return back. They both went to kitchen and checked any leftover and found noodles in the kitchen. They both attacked on noodles and started eating it by their bare hands. Jimin was stuffing more noodles in his mouth as it has big mouth, but poor cat has small mouth. He couldn't eat more. They both started fighting for noodles and dirtied themselves. Jimin went to washroom to take bath and Yoongi started cleaning the floor. Soon Jimin came back and found Yoongi was still in dirty clothes. He dragged him in washroom by pulling his leg. Yoongi was elder than Jimin, but when it comes to dominate, then he won't listen to anyone. Jimin pushed Yoongi on the bathtub to give him bath. Yoongi was feeling cold. He hates cold water. He told this to Jimin, but Jimin didn't listen to him. He forced him to take bath. Yoongi was shivering, but Minnie gave him his clothes and brought his clothes from his bag. Note: I already made one shot on Yunmin's noodle fight. If you haven't watched it, then watch it. You can find it in BTS one shot. Time skipped after some time. Yoongi came to garden and sit on the bench. He was crying so hard. He was very hungry. His cute tiny nose turned red because of continuous crying. His tummy was glowing because of hunger. His head was hurting too. He was missing his family. Jimin was searching him inside the house. He didn't know Yoongi was sitting in the garden. Soon Hyang's returned back and found Yoongi was missing. They all started searching him and found in the garden. Jimin told them everything. Now they became mad and harshly scolded him. Jin went to Yoongi and sat beside him. Jin, Yoongi, what are you doing here? You know we were searching you inside. Yoongi, without looking at him, I want Mama. When will Mama Dada return? Jin, they will return back soon, piped his tears. He touched him and realized he got high fever. He quickly picked him in his arms and took him to doctor. Soon Jin brought Yoongi at home. Everyone was in Jin's room. Jimin was also there. He was crying because everyone scolded him. Jin saw him and said, Jin, Minnie, baby, what happened? Why are you crying? Jimin, Minnie, bad. Jin, no, our Minnie is a good boy. Why? But why are you saying this? Jimin, they always scold Minnie. Kitty sick Minnie. Minnie such a bad. Jin, no, Minnie didn't make Yoongi sick. Minnie didn't know Yoongi will fall sick. It wasn't Minnie's fault. Jimin, really? Jin, really? Now stop crying. Yoongi, I'm hungry. Jinny hungry. This little chick ate all the noodles and now crying like this. Jimin, if Kitty small mouth, no fault Minnie. Yoongi, I didn't have a small mouth. You have big mouth. Jin smiled. Okay, now stop fighting. I'm going to prepare food for Yoongi. Jimin, Minnie, help Jinny. With that, Jin went to kitchen and along with him, Jimin also went. Minnie still fought with Yoongi but took care of him too. Their bonding made everyone so happy but confused too because they both fought anywhere and anytime. They are literally Tom and Jerry who don't leave any chance to tease each other. Naughty children are always ready to do mischiefs. They irritate the person most whom they love the most. It's their way of showing love. They never wanna hurt anyone. They just wanna do fun with their favorite person. The end. Arthur's Note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Minnie was very naughty, right? He always troubled poor Uni. He didn't wanna hurt him. He just wanna do fun with him because he loves to irritate him. But when he fell sick, Minnie was always there to take care of him. He was doing everything for him. But when he became well, he again started irritating him. It's nothing new. Minnie had Tom and Jerry relationship. Neither they live with each other peacefully nor without. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.